Hey everybody, it's Steve with Home Care Heating and Air, and just a little homeowner to homeowner tip. In the summertime, your furnace is still fully functional, circulating the air in your house that your air conditioner is cooling down for you. So it's often overlooked to change your filters throughout the summer because you think, well, hey, my furnace isn't heating my house, but it is actually still working. It is still circulating air. So it's really important to do that, especially with all the pollen and stuff in the changing seasons. Once you kick on that air conditioner, you're definitely gonna wanna change your filter throughout the summer. I hope that helps.